here to present the PowerPoint presentation slide on the exports. Exports means trade beyond the barriers. What's the meaning of exports? Exports are basically the goods and services produced in our country sent to other countries. Everybody knows this. Importance of exports helps in earning the foreign exchange, helps in the excess are produced sending into the other countries. It helps in increasing the employment, increasing the GDP, better relations among the nations, fulfilling the requirements of World Trade Organizations, and attaining the specified targets of agreements. Next are the meaning and significance of imports. Imports are basically selling products, services produced in another country. Buying products or
Importing.
importing. Imports are important for the economy because they allow a country to supply the non-existent, scarce, low quality certain products of other countries into our countries. A high level of import indicates a domestic demand growing economy. If the imports are mainly productive assets such as machinery or equipments, this means favorable for the country. Exporting machinery, equipments are favorable for a country. And next are terminologies related to export and imports. Everybody knows the balance of trade, which is related to only the trade, the difference between the value of countries' exports and the imports. And balance of payments is all the payments that are in a country related to other countries. Money entering into a country and money exiting the other country. The difference between both these are the balance of trade is only related to goods and services. This is all the transfer payments are within the two countries.
Including NRI remittances, anything which comes from foreign to India.
The international export data. The next page will be graphed. This is only the top 5 leading export countries worldwide in 2022, and the data is in US billion dollars.
We are not in the top 5, very clear.
We
may not be in the top 20 also.
Yes, we are at the 18th position according to 2022 stats. This is the all countries list, and India is here with 453 million billion US dollars in 2022. The value of exports in China was almost 3.6 trillion US dollars in 2022. By which means the highest exports worldwide the country is China. The value of India exports were only 453 billion US dollars in 2022, which was positioned at 18th number. Now China is the first, and we need to compare our Indian exports to China's export. Comparing India's exports to China's can provide the insights into the economic trends, trade relationships, global market dynamics, etc. It helps the policymakers, businessmen to understand the competitive growth among the different countries. So we are in the next slides we are comparing the Indian exports to China's exports mainly. These are the Indian export data starting from the financial year April 17 to March 18. This is the next year. This is the next year. So the growth in exports is nearly 26 billion dollars, and it is nearly consistent. You will see it is nearly consistent. It's not going at a very high speed rate. The current data is only 313 billion dollars for the April 2022 to 2023 or December 2023. The last financial year data was 443 billion dollars. In last financial year, India's exports. So this is we are understanding the financial year India's exports of 2022 to 2023. 443 billion dollars for the total exports value. It was mainly to the 200 countries and across 31 commodities. 200 countries includes these American Free Trade Agreement 3 countries, and Europe 38 countries, West Asia 18 countries, Northeast Asia 8 countries, and the Southeast Asian nations 10, South Asia 8 countries, and Africa 48 countries, Latin America countries 43, and Oceanic territories that are 12. These are the 200 countries to which India exports the products and services, and across 31 commodities. These are the data where India exports the world map of the country where the India exports all its goods and services. What does the 31 exports commodity includes, and their data of what are these? Engineering goods are $106 billion of India's export to other countries. These percentages above these represent the growth in the exports of that commodity. Means the gems and jewelry have decreased 24% previous year related to previous year. Every exports have increased nearly, but this is very low according to China. These are the total 31 commodities which are traded by India to the other countries: petroleum products, gems and jewelries, organic products, others, drug and pharmaceuticals, electronic goods, ready-made garments, rice, cotton yards, plastics, marine products. And these is the long list. You can see it. the India's top export destinations. First is USA. Its total exports are $78,000 million, and in March only it was $7,000 million. The growth in exports was 30.97% according to last year. The top 5 destinations of Indian export destinations are USA, United Arab Emirates, Netherlands, China, and Singapore, Bangladesh. I have bring the China's export data of 2003. You can see this graph. This is the World Bank national graph, and according to this, the China's exports was $447 billion in 2003. What was India's exports in? India's exports.
Excellent, good data, very good.
India's exports now is $443 billion.
उस टाइम का नहीं है इंडिया का फिगर, उस टाइम का फिगर नहीं है इंडिया का।
नहीं उस टाइम का।
चलो।
China's exports in 2003 was what our exports is now. And China's exports rise to $1.5 trillion.
कौन सा ईयर है वो जो नीचे वाली फिगर थी? और कौन सा ईयर है ये?
2003 China.
हाँ।
$447 billion. And $443 billion is India's exports now.
In 2003 India was around 190 point something है.
Yes.
So we were at 100 something and they were at 4 times bigger than us. ठीक है, अब आज की कहानी देखो जरा, कितने ट्रिलियन पे पहुंच गया।
2008 में it grew by 300%, $1.5 trillion. 2008 in China, and now it is $3.71 trillion in 2022.
Earlier he was 4 times, अभी कितने times है? देखो तो अभी कितना अपना 4, अभी almost 4, ये 4 10 times है, almost 10 times.
Yes, sir.
Wow. So the gap which was earlier they were 4 times earning greater foreign exchange through exports 2003, and now they are 10 times bigger than us. So one is we have grown slowly, they have grown faster. The figure is alarming. 10 times. The gap was earlier 4 times, now 10 times. Very good data. हम भी कर सकते थे, मतलब ट्रैजेक्टरी ऑलमोस्ट सेम भी रखते तो भी 4 टाइम्स का एक गैप होता, उनकी ग्रोथ को मैच कर लेते, तो अभी भी आगे आगे और बढ़ता ही जा रहा है गैप।
Our exports were stagnant in the range of $300 million to.
अब ये जैसी ये फिगर्स अगर आप कहीं बोल दोगे ना ऐसे, तो हो गया काम। Why exports are important? In a reply you say, sir, our share in the world exports is just 3%, vis-a-vis China is 19%. China's exports were 4 times higher than us in 2003. Now they are 10 times higher than us. So their growth, exports have grown much faster than ours. Plus the gap has enlarged in a big way. तो $1 trillion की figure पड़ा, 3.7 trillion. अपना कितना 400 कुछ?
443.
1/10. कितनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, और क्यों है? देखो यूरोप, यूएसए डेस्टिनेशन है, चाइना की भी अभी आएगा अगर आगे गई है, चाइना की मेन एक्सपोर्ट डेस्टिनेशन, और वहाँ पे जो स्टील वगैरह हर चीज़, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, कॉस्ट ऑफ लेबर, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी वेरी हाई. थैंक यू. वेरी वेरी हाई एज कम्पेयर टू आवर रीजन. तो ए प्रोडक्ट विच इज मेड एट $500 स्टील कैन बी सोल्ड एट $750 इन यूरोप और अमेरिका, क्योंकि उनकी लोकल कॉस्ट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बहुत हाई है. दे आल्सो इम्पोर्ट आयरन ओर, दे आल्सो हैव हायर कॉस्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, हायर लेबर कॉस्ट डॉलर्स में, यूरो में, अच्छी सैलरीज है वहाँ. इधर चाइना में एक्सप्लॉयटेशन है लेबर की, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चीप है, इनपुट कॉस्ट अब बताया रशिया से आ रहा है मटेरियल, तो यू हैव ए वेरी हाई मार्जिन इफ यू डू सेल एक्सपोर्ट इन एक्सपोर्ट मार्केट्स. वहीं से वो चाइना की ग्रोथ स्टोरी का बहुत बड़ा रीज़न यही है. 3.7 ट्रिलियन. अगर कोई पूछे इंडिया वर्सेस चाइना, एक्सटेम्पोर दे दे कहीं, बोलो ये पॉइंट्स are 3.7 ट्रिलियन अब इंडिया की इकोनॉमी के